In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and how to make sure your vendors are set up correctly, so your expenses and bills are easy to manage. Let's start from your Zoho Books dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu. This is your main navigation. Look for the option labeled Purchases. This section is where Zoho Books groups everything related to what your business buys, such as bills, expenses, and of course, vendors. Go ahead and click on Purchases to open up that area. Once the Purchases section expands, you'll see several options. From this list, click on Vendors. This takes you to your vendor list, which is essentially your address book of all the suppliers and service providers your business works with. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. We're about to add your first vendor. On the Vendors page, look for a button that says something like Create New Vendor, or simply New. This is usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to open the vendor creation form. This form is where you'll enter all the basic details about your vendor. Now, you'll see several fields to fill in. Start with the vendor name. Use the official name that appears on their invoices so everything matches up neatly in your records. You may also have fields for email, phone number, billing address, and possibly tax information. Depending on your region, fill in as much information as you have available. The more accurate details you enter here, the smoother your future transactions and reporting will be. As you move through the form, simply follow the on-screen prompts that Zoho Books provides. The system will guide you with labels, placeholder text, and sometimes help icons that explain what each field is for. Take a moment to review what you've entered before saving. Check for spelling errors, make sure contact details are correct, and confirm that the address and any tax or payment details are accurate. When everything looks good, click the Save or Save and Close button at the bottom of the form. Zoho Books will add this vendor to your list, and you'll now be able to use it when creating bills, recording expenses, or tracking payments. That's all it takes to create a vendor in Zoho Books.